No, 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 no. Wow. Crazy. Oh, no, not another one. That one did not work.
Who else is scared?
Boring fireworks right here. Ooh, another one. Wow, this is crazy. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That almost got you, Dad. Whoa, 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 whoa. Watch for the car. There was just a very big firework over there. Woo. Here we go. But you see that flash right there? That's the fireworks over there. Oh, that's rolling down. That's rolling down. Oh. Wait, that might... Stop. All right.
No, because it was my baby. She was a jerk, though. She was not. And Miss Gray told Miss Panani that
Here we go.
so I was
Dad, that was too close. Almost got me.
was a visitor.
Oh boy, it's the flashers.
That one.
You guys take it. I can't do it. Alright, it's done.
I didn't want to like me person.
Oh boy.
Good. It obviously worked. Did you do the poop one? Oh, what? Well, yeah, there's like this way is supposed to be parked after so, yeah, so the person and a lot of other people are just like to be determined because they have to figure out that thing.
Whoa.
Silver snow.
Silver snow?
This is what I
How is this?
Happy 4th of July, everyone. If you're watching this,
Another bomb that
wish you a happy 4th of July. It's all the fireworks we have. We have the Brain Buster down there. It's that pink box right there. Ooh. Oh, it's those balls. It's those balls. It's those balls. It's those balls. Ooh. Wow.
Holy Frioles.
Okay, what is that? Whoa, that was sick.
Videotaping it, Kristen?
Yes,
Are you doing it for your
Yes.
YouTube?
yes.
Okay.
Oh boy. Ooh, it says the sparkles. What the freak? Whoa, look at that. Oh my god. Bro, what the heck? Okay.
You know, it was so funny.
Woo! There's two of them at the same time.
I don't know.
Oh boy. Look at all the smoke.
Ring stars, buddy.
Dang, you're shooting long.
Ring stars? Yeah, sure.
This one's supposed to shoot
Oh my God. Thank you.
Air? Oh, wow. This one's gonna be crazy. It's probably gonna go up in the air and make it like a firework or something. Like the illegal firework, but miniature. Ooh, did you see that, guys? Or did you not? I don't know. There's freaking... Everyone is like basically using the legal fireworks here. Oh boy, here we go.
You have a lighter?
Oh.
She said that.
Woo.
Whoa, that's a.
Whoa.
Oh, look, it makes like. Oh yeah, that's super cool. Is it that one?
Ooh, look at that. Over there. Wow, geez.
I like that one.
GG. I thought that we make like the boop. Oh, there's a bat. There's the bat. The bat. The bat. Look, it's the bat. Oh, yeah. There's. Whoa. There's so many freaking people using the legal fireworks. There's some people using the, I think, the fireworks show on fireworks. Woo, 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 woo. Wow. Yeah, if you wondering why we're not doing the fireworks shows, because we don't have a fireworks show this year, so that's why we're just doing normal fireworks. Everyone's freaking using the legal fireworks. I don't know if you can see that. I swear. Okay, what is this one? Whoa, 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 whoa. Dang. Oh boy, it's gonna go. Oh my goodness. The freaking car's on. Whoa, 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 whoa. Dad! Oh my god, that was too close.
That's crazy.
There was one that went like right there, right here. I am so lucky. There was one that went right here. Right freaking, guys, right here. Right here.
That's crazy. That was like right in our face.
This is absolutely crazy.
Well,
I thought I was gonna catch on fire. Oh boy.
what's this?
Ooh.
Is this the same one? Oh, Jesus. Okay.
Oh boy.
Same one?
At least it's cut a little farther. We don't have the fireworks show because of COVID, so in Las Vegas, so we don't have.
Oh, shit.
Oh, that sounds kind of far. I could go. Sounds pretty. Here we go.
Nice.
Woo.
I like that.
Oh no, there's a car.
Oh, no. Uh-oh.
Just wait. Oh, it didn't work. All right, you can go. That failed. I mean, at least you saw it for us. I mean, light it back. Or
What about, are we done?
Trying to get the plastic off this thing.
oh, we got the grenade next. Then we got the brain buster and a bunch of other stuff. 4th of July is crazy. Oh, happy birthday. Happy birthday, United States of America. You're like I don't know, like 250 billion years old. I don't know. How old is Earth? How old is the United States, Dad? 236 billion? What the heck?
Are these people leaving? Yeah, that's now.
Ooh,
Okay.
ooh, yes. Oh boy. Okay, this is the same one. This better not fail this time. I'm looking to get it.
So they move. Okay.
Go.
Eh.
Go. They're like, I'm out.
He's speeding. He should get a ticket. Our house is all the way over there. Oh boy, it's dark now. It's dark.
You know what? She can still do
Ooh, over there. How about that? Instead of ours. Over there.
Yeah.
Ooh. Oh, yes. Oh, there was just... Wow. Oh, dang. Oh, dang. Wow, they have the good legal ones, bro. They have the... I bet that costs like over $300. Yeah, what? Wow. This is crazy. Oh my God, look at that, bro.
She what?
Look at
Does
that.
not have
Oh, okay.
cash, and that really bothers me. But they've got a
16 minutes.
Attorney General like trying to help, but he's not doing anything. It's just such a shitty situation for her, and she's upset. She's like, I don't know why I'm sleeping all the time, Tiff, and I'm like, because you're depressed. Yeah.
Whoa. Hey, be calm. Hey, be calm.
I'm on holiday.
Oh, yeah.
I'm telling you, when I'm done, I'm gonna find out like who your attorney is, and I'm gonna like make some fucking waves because that's what I do. So
Wow.
I'm going to do it. I made some fucking waves like the last time they gave
Whoa.
whatever.
What?
So they assigned her this attorney. So yeah.
Grenade! Here we go.
Yeah.
Guys, watch out. This is the grenade. It's going to blow smoke out.
No, because
Oh, boy.
had supervised visitation for 2 hours a week.
It's blowing smoke out. Now it's the world's smoking. Gonna be
That's
smoke.
Fine and dandy.
Ooh,
But
look at
now
all that
he's got
smoke
the
right there.
kids. He's
It's like a
kidnapped
tornado.
kids.
It's like a mini tornado.
It doesn't have any like supervised
God, bro.
visitation, and they do a bench warrant. They do a bench.
Is it just smoke, Dad?
which means he has to
Okay.
get like pulled over for speeding. And I said that is absolutely not acceptable. So I talked to a couple of people, and so asked them if I want to like go for like
Okay, guys, you don't really have to see. This one is just smoke.
permanent custody based on the order
I'm done.
that you said that you
Whoa, there's a haunted person behind me.
and based on the orders that he can't even be with the kids without supervision. But now it
Guys,
is,
the
so,
Brain
like,
Buster
I
is
need
gonna
to,
be
like,
the
get this
last
done.
one.
So then they finally.
Dad, can we do Brain Buster next?
And
Last? Okay.
then they.
I guess we're gonna have to do all of our
like, a
fireworks.
Attorney General. Like,
Well, we did some fireworks before I did this video because I forgot my phone. So, right here.
I told her, I said, I'll go pick up the kids my fucking stuff.
Oh, look at that over there. Look at that.
I will do it because no, he's gonna kill you.
Look at that, Jada. Do you see? Wow. Woo. Look at those.
Oh, look at the big one.
Sorry, we couldn't do that one because we already did that one before. And that was insane, bro. That was cool. Raging Zombie is next. Ooh. Oh my god. Oh. Shouldn't be that bad, I mean. I'm dead. I got burned.
What?
I got burned. Oh.
Yeah, that's back here. That's Randy and all those people.
What color? Red and gold?
There.
Huh?
Red or gold?
Gold!
The illegals, that one
Yes.
here.
Boom! You guys are going up here.
Oh, we can't.
Oh my god, look.
They can't do shit.
Whoa! You guys got the right time for that. I got the right time for that. Whoa, 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 hey, 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 hey. Whoa. Oh boy, shoot fireworks! Come on, shoot.
Ooh, I like that. It's like a little fart thing.
Fart things.
No, they can't have any.
Red. Oh, huh? Red. Huh?
I'll do that one in a minute.
Okay. What is that one?
Big little Pete's.
It's been 21 minutes on my phone. It's been 21 minutes since I made this video. Started making this video. Yeah. 21 minutes. Now 22 minutes. Bro, everyone's so lucky to get the legal fireworks because they can put it in the sky and let everyone see. Nothing! It's just that noise, Mom.
It's a big little Pete.
It looks like it's gonna go like.
That's it. Yeah. Like fucking fun.
Bro, I swear if we had.
Burn? Yeah. No, it's
Oh, he would have.
with snow. There we go. What can we do, babe? Remember when we got that big pink one? Remember?
Oh,
I think that was like
that's the same one.
it is the same one. Do you remember that big pink one that we got like a couple of years ago? Babe,
Yes.
that was like a real one, right?
Yeah.
That was the Safe and Sane one, right?
Yep.
I like it also.
Hey, that's too close, man. Let's do I don't know.
Is it Jada right next to you, babe?
No, she's
I
inside.
can't see. Oh, I'm sorry, I can't see. Who's next to you? Nobody?
Nobody?
Okay. Does she just not like fireworks? She just doesn't like it.
She used to. I don't know what happened. I think maybe last year.
Maybe
She's
last year
yeah.
that was a big deal because they put up the illegals and messed it up and it came. It like
Ah!
they were doing the same thing.
Do 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 do. What is that everywhere?
Yeah.
That freaking meme. Whoa! Oh, wow, wow. There's so many fireworks, but I don't see them. Because they're in Russia. That's why. Fireworks are the most loudest sound ever because you can hear them from 300 countries away. 50 countries away. Wait. Please. I beg you. Oh, no, it's a freaking flash one. As you probably don't want to do this one. It's freaking flash. Dad, what if you did this one? It's a flash one. Dad, don't not do it again. Oh gosh, dang, gee. Dad, don't do 4. Don't do 5. Oh my God. Finally, it's done. They're done. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yum, yum. Global. How many fireworks do we have left?
2, 3, 4, 5, and a bit.
It's so much nicer.
6 more? Okay, guys, we have 6 more fireworks. That should be good. Whoa.
Remember when they let it off and it came like we were
Here we go.
here? Yeah.
See?
This is what happens.
Okay. His ribs are in there, so let's see how good his ribs are actually are for fireworks. Whoa. His ribs are absolutely incredible. Okay, I want to have his ribs, please. Because they can survive freaking fireworks. OMG.
And then Matt took over and it was mine. You remember that? That was crazy. I was so scared. And you know what? My son.
Whoa, did you see that, guys? You saw in the background over there. All right, so we have 5 more now.
Yeah. No, so my son sent me this one.
All right, guys, we have 5 more.
And it went under the car and what lit the gas on fire, the gas tank, and it blew up.
Oh my goodness.
And one of them
Guys, I
died.
think this is the longest video I've ever
And it was
done.
even before.
Oh my God. Yeah, this is the longest video I've ever done.
You should have
It's
seen the
it's
cloud
it's
of
gonna be over
smoke that it was
20,
almost like the
over
mushroom
30
one.
minutes.
I'll show you.
Guys, this video is gonna be over 30
I see one,
minutes.
like on
This video is gonna be over 30 minutes, Dad.
Facebook or whatever.
It's just another grenade. Okay, guys, you don't have to look at this. It's just a grenade. It's the same thing. It's just has smoke coming towards us. Guys, help. Oh my God, it's like a tornado. Like a mini tornado. Woo. Ooh. Oh no, not again.
One.
It's gonna flash. Oh frick, it's gonna flash. Dad, please stop the flashing one. You're making me, I can't even, I'm not gonna be able to see after this.
I know even Tyler said, I am blind.
I like to see that one. Where is that one?
No, not again. You done over 10, Dad.
That's it. This last one.
Yes, finally, I mean.
You're the one you picked out. Game mode.
Yeah, the game mode? Alright, guys, we're doing the one that I picked out, the game mode.
Where's that first one, babe, that you sent me? You remember what I'm talking about?
We've been in the dark for like over an hour now.
Doing it for YouTube.
Like the one that...
We've been here for like an hour.
Okay, so this one you said more, okay.
Alright, Dad, hurry up. Don't want to make me... Yep, it's already 30 minutes. Ooh. They got some good fire. Ducklings. Okay, that was a pretty. Yeah.
That was good.
I picked the game mode, which was a pretty good one, and wow. Okay, dang. They probably spent over $1,000 to get those. Wow.
I have a big four-star and he still
Wow,
reached
jeez.
out. I got,
What the freak?
This one is.
Thank you, Tommy.
Daniel Burks.
Look over there, baby. Oh my goodness.
Oh my
Look at that.
god.
Carson's YouTubing it.
Yay, that's a good one. In Northern Terrace. Thank God.
Look at it, baby.
Wow, that's crazy.
That's what's going. Yeah!
Dude, that has to be over 10.
Thank God.
That has to be over $10,000. That is no cap.
Okay, baby. I
Oh,
don't
there
know.
goes
What
that
I'm saying is that there is a few houses in Northern Terrace that did that as, just to help us out because we don't get
Look,
the
they're
way.
not
Yeah.
done.
This is crazy.
That is nice. Yeah, that's.
Exactly.
Okay, then go.
Whoa.
I know they're probably going away. Thank you.
They can't hear you.
There, keep on going.
No, they're so good.
Dude.
That.
Here. Bro, this is crazy. I didn't expect this. Right now I'm not looking at the thing. I'm gonna look at it and record it. Okay, I think it's done. Oh, they're not done. Wow, they're not done. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, this one is. Wow. Okay. Okay, they're done with the cool fireworks.
Okay, baby.
There's some over there, but you can't, guys. Oh!
Oh,
Wow!
keep on going.
All right. Hold it, don't do it yet. We gotta.
Oh
I'm gonna
my
record.
goodness.
Wow!
Wow.
I bet they spent $10,000s of dollars on that. Are they done? I don't know. Whoa, they're not done.
We must have started this like at 9.
Wow. And then look at over here.
Wow, over there.
Wow.
I think they're done over there, kind of. I think they used all of their fireworks because that.
Right now, these people are.
There's no way there's more fireworks. That they've done it like 1,000 times already. What the frick? Oh, there was. Well, look at that one over there. Oh my God, there's little crickets. Oh boy, that didn't work, haha. Because I don't. How? All right. Is that the flashing one, Dad? Okay. Yeah, I think they're. I think.
More.
Two more?
Yep.
We got the Brain Buster and.
It's okay, Mommy.
Ooh.
Look at that, Jada. Wow.
Okay, that was the last one. The Brain Buster, the best one of them all.
Grand finale.
Oh,
All right.
Whoa!
Look at baby! It's up in the air.
They're not gonna get you.
See, yeah, Carson, tell her. See, nothing's gonna happen.
Nothing's gonna happen. It's just
See? He's telling
they're
you.
way far away. They're way far away. They're like 3 miles away, so you don't have to worry about it. The Brain Buster! Let's go. Guys, this is the last firework, and then we're done with this video. Alright.
Ready, Carson? Are you filming it?
Yes!
Okay.
Whoa! This is crazy! Brainbuster, whoa. Okay, guys, I'm not keeping my eyes off this one. Oh my god, I'm gonna hear fireworks all day tomorrow. All day when I'm trying to sleep. Woo! Wow. Is it done? I don't think so yet. Yeah, it looks like the people that did it. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I think they got the Brain Buster as well, Dad. This one goes long. Whoa!
Yes, that was nice.
Hold up. Is it? It's done! That is everything right there. I think they got this. Did they get the same one as us? Let's see if they got the same one as us, because that looks like the Brain Buster as well.
So Dana, you work at Ozark?
No, I used to.
Oh, okay.
I work in the maintenance. Receiving. Basically, inventory. Yeah. Because the district is so big.
Yeah, I know.
Isn't
It's like almost
that the same one?
Okay, yeah.
5,000 employees.
Are they?
Oh, those people are not done. The people with the
I
great
don't know, because
fireworks
that's
are not done yet.
City of Las Vegas.
They're still
Nothing to do with
doing it, kind of. Whoa! At the right time. Okay, they don't have the same ones as us. And that is all for today's video. I hope you have a happy 4th of July. Peace. Peace. Bye-bye.